Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning for the month ahead with you. It's March now, which means spring, and there are also quite a few dates in the diary. So if you haven't seen one of my plan with me videos before, it's a new series that I've started where at the beginning of each month I sit down, chat through the events that are coming up, what I'm doing with my family, and hopefully spark some ideas and inspiration for you guys. So yes, if you like this kind of video, please consider subscribing so that you get one at the beginning of each month. The comments on the last one were very positive, so I thought I would do it again, and March is actually quite a busy one. We have World Book Day tomorrow, it's International Women's Day, it's Mother's Day in the UK. I've also got a list of spring cleaning for you guys, and I'm going to talk quite a bit about Easter, because although Easter is in April, it's right at the beginning of it, so I'm going to show you what I've got for the boys' Easter baskets, because I've sorted all of that out. I've also got some really cool printables and lists for you as well, so I hope you really enjoy it, and let's get into it. So first off, let's talk about spring cleaning. Last month I made a declutter challenge and so many people got involved that this month I thought I would make a spring cleaning checklist. So they're all things that I'm going to deep clean over the next 2 months. So I'll put it up on screen here, and I'll also link it in the description down below because I've uploaded it to my Pinterest and my website as well. So you can screen grab it, you can print it if you want to and tick everything off. But they're all cleaning tasks that definitely don't make it onto my weekly cleaning routine, and that is very much needed. And I was thinking, now that the kids are going back to school next week, maybe we can start tackling a few of these things. They're things like descale your kettle, wipe all your skirting boards down, wash your washing machine, defrost the freezer. They're all like deep cleaning, spring cleaning things, obviously. So I hope it's really helpful. I do have some spring cleaning videos coming up soon on my channel. I'm going to be filming one tomorrow where I clean the house, like I spring clean a few things, and I also do some spring DIY decor. So I'm going to be trying to make a spring wreath and a few other like Easter decorations around the house. So look forward to those. Next up, let's talk about Easter, and I'll show you everything that I've got the kids this year. Basically, the other day I went out for 1 hour and I visited Poundland and then Sainsbury's, and I got everything that I needed for the kids. And instead of a basket, I've got a little pallet box which I found on Amazon for about £10, and I really like these because I think they'll be great to repurpose as Christmas hampers as well, or we could reuse them again next year. I've got a fancy little label maker, so I'm going to print out their names and put that on as well, and I'll show you everything inside in a second. And then in terms of an Easter hunt, I also wrote out some Easter egg clues for you guys. I might just put it on screen so you can see them here, but again, this is linked on my Pinterest and my website as well. So if you guys want Easter clues, you could just print it out, cut them up, and then what I tend to do with the clues once they're cut up is put them into a little plastic egg. We still have the same ones that we've had for years. And then all the clues are in these, and they actually go around collecting chocolate eggs. And in Poundland, I got these adorable little baskets, obviously just for £1. So for the Easter egg hunt, they can actually take one of these round to collect all of the chocolate eggs. And Poundland just had so much stuff in there. They had so much like Easter crafting things. I shared these on my Instagram and people went crazy for them. Also going out and buying them and then tagging me in them. These are only £1. I got this adorable pink one and then also a white one, but they had blue and purple and yellow. I was so tempted to get like all of them. I just think they're so adorable for £1. And they just had so many little like painting sets for the kids. I got some great stuff for their baskets as well. And also for the Easter egg hunt, I got these 2 boxes of eggs from Sainsbury's, and I bought these last year as well because they were just so easy. And what's really cute is on the sides and backs of the boxes there are little like prompts so you can cut out and put along your egg hunt as well. So that is all done, and now let me show you what's in their baskets. Right, so these are what the boys' Easter baskets look like, but I'm going to show you everything that's going into them by putting one together for Jackson. So as I said, the pallet box itself is from Amazon. It was about £10, and then I've put a little bit of Amazon packaging into the bottom just to bulk everything up. And then I got these like hamper shavings from Poundland in like 3 different Eastery colors, and I've split them across all 3 of the hampers just to add a bit of color and make it look a bit more like a hamper. And then I got a big Easter egg, like this is their main chocolate from Sainsbury's, and I've taken it out of the box because the box itself was so large. But I don't actually give the boys too much chocolate because on the way round when they're doing the egg hunt, obviously there's a lot of chocolate in that. And then whenever I'm buying something for the kids' Christmas or Easter, I try to think if there's anything they need and that could be a nice gift. So we've actually just booked a little staycation and the kids need some new swimming shorts. So I actually found these ones on Next and I really liked them. So I'm going to stick the swimming shorts in. I also saw these cups in Sainsbury's and I just thought they were really handy and it would be great for like back to school and stuff. So I got one for each of them with their initial on it. So this one is for Jackson. Then I also picked up a little toy like this for Jax in Poundland. So it's like an inflatable ring toss that we can play on Easter Sunday. We also got this from Poundland. I got one for each of the boys. Then I also got this bunny bouncy ball from Poundland. I also got a bath fizzer in the shape of an egg from Poundland. And then in Sainsbury's, I saw these Ryan mystery eggs. They really love Ryan, so I got them each one of these with a mystery vehicle inside. I also got some eggs with slime in them, which I know I'll probably regret, but they'll love. And then I also got this little Smarty bunny for the kids and a little lint bunny, which I know that I'll probably end up eating. And then I also got them a little Roblox surprise box because I just know that they'll love that as well. And then I also picked up some Easter stickers from Poundland. And then I also picked up a pack of 6 of these little sparkly bunnies from Poundland as well. So I was just gonna stick them in for a bit more like Easter decoration. And then that is pretty much it. I'm really pleased that's all sorted out, and in my usual style I've gone way over the top, and obviously you don't need to do a whole hamper. You could just get your child an Easter egg or do an Easter egg hunt. I feel like the most exciting part of Easter is the hunt part. That's what I remember as a kid. But with gifts like this, it's always good if there's anything that they actually need and you were going to buy them anyway, you could put it in a gift like this and they'll be really excited about it. Like my kids needed new swim shorts and a new cup. At Christmas, I tend to always do new toothbrushes and new toothpaste, and they get really excited about it. Tomorrow is also World Book Day, but because of the circumstances, I wasn't going to do a whole thing about the costumes you could do because my children are still online learning and they're not having to dress up. And even Jackson's preschool, which is back open now, he actually started back yesterday, they're also not dressing up because they're not trying to encourage the kids to bring in books and costumes from home. On the 8th of March, it's International Women's Day, so I'll be putting up a post on Instagram about supporting women on that day, so I wanted to mention that. And then on the 14th of March, it is also Mother's Day here in the UK, whereas in North America they celebrate it in May, we celebrate it in March. So I'm going to talk through a few ideas with you, but I always have to be really on it because I need to get a Mother's Day card in March, but then not actually send it until May because that's when it's celebrated where my mum lives. But I've got a few ideas for you. Obviously, you could get your mum the usual bouquet of flowers, but if you didn't want to go down the flower route, there are some amazing hampers online. I'll link some down below, but there is one website called Don't Buy Her Flowers, which has some really good options. Also, Not on the High Street has some good hampers, and there was another one called Book Block as well that also makes up hampers with things like dried flowers, gin, chocolates, stationery and stuff like that. Or if you're on a budget and you're creative, you could make up your own hamper like I have done for the Easter baskets. You could just grab yourself a box and fill it with your mum's favorite things, like her favorite wine, her favorite gin, maybe some tea or a mug, chocolates and stuff like that. And if you're also on a budget, another really lovely idea, because we're all missing family so much at the moment, is to get a lovely photo of the kids or you and your mum framed and sent to her. Or you could also just do like a video message. I think everyone's just missing everyone so much. That would be a really lovely touch at the moment. And when I was researching for Valentine's Day, I saw that so many companies do amazing food delivered to you. Like you could deliver your mum an afternoon tea if you wanted to, or nudge your husband to get you an afternoon tea. And there's also things that you could deliver a brunch or a breakfast. I saw Rick Stein is doing a luxury breakfast delivered for £35. If you wanted to go more luxury, there's a few jewelers that do beautiful personalized necklaces or bracelets with your kids' names or your kids' fingerprints. Or Monica Vinader actually does, where if your child draws a picture of you or a picture of your family, you can have that put onto a pendant for a necklace. And Matt actually did that for me one year, and it's so special and lovely. And I know Posh Totty in Brighton, they actually do some lovely like things with your kids' initials as well. So I'll link all of that down below. None of this is an ad, it's just like ideas. But yeah, I think that's everything that I wanted to chat to you about for March. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!